Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, a very common question I see a lot of people have, especially during these times when there's so much uncertainty about Canada immigration, that how long you can work in Canada as a temporary worker. So while you may get various answers across social media and people might share their experience, but if you go through the official channel as I'm showing you in this video, like the page from IRCC, they have clearly defined. There is no set maximum amount of time you can work in Canada as a temporary worker. The length of time you can work depends on the job offer from your employer, the length of time listed on your labor market impact assessment, if your employer needed to get one to hire you, how long your passport is valid for. Okay, for Quebec, there is additional requirement and there are some other LMIA exemptions too. So that's fine. So that means as long as you meet the conditions, you can work as a temporary worker. Now, I want to share experience of someone that I have seen in front of my eyes. So it was many years ago when that guy was also a temporary foreign worker. So his work permit was extended 2 or 3 times in Canada already, and further extension was filed. It was granted, but it came with one more like there was a somewhere written. I don't know where exactly it was written, but they said that IRCC had told them. I really don't know how IRCC told them. They said that this time they were extending the work permit, but for future an LMIA would be required. But of course, that was never happened. The reason is that guy became permanent resident and then he became a citizen. So that's how it happens. But yeah, if you want to know from official channel, it's in front of you. I have opened IRCC page as of today. If you want to work in Canada as a temporary worker, there is no set limit. You can work as long as you meet the conditions. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.